there, this is Barbie Figueroa and welcome to BrandSwatchStudio.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to browse our store to find a brand graphics kit that represents the kind of brand that you want to build. In this video, we're going to go directly to the shop and check out the products. Now, the first thing we're going to do is we are going to scroll down and you can browse our featured products. You can check our new brand Swatch graphics kits. But if you want to see everything that's available inside the shop under the brand Swatch kits, you want to browse by category. So as of the date of this video, and we will be growing our categories as time goes on, but right now we have our brand graphics kits, website templates, the brand Swatch website system will be coming soon, and we also have educational guides. So we want to go to brand graphics kits. So the brand graphic kit has already been curated, created, designed for you, so you don't have to think about anything. Now, when you come over here, you want to look at the brand swatches. These are the ones that we have available right now. And you want to see which is the one that feels most like your brand, like the product that you're selling, and like the client you want to attract. That's why the brand quiz helps you figure that out, because once you know your words and you're looking for something that's a little bit more maybe sophisticated. So let's say, for example, you are in a travel business, but there's a difference between the travel agent that helps people get Disney World tickets, and there's a difference between the travel agent that sends people to beautiful Mediterranean spots. And, you're dealing with people who want to have these once in a lifetime experiences. So they expect a certain look. So that is why you have to balance who you are as the business owner and the type of client that you attract and the kind of product that you sell. All right. So with that being said, we're going to continue the theme of our relationship coach who helps couples that are already doing pretty good take it to the next level. So she is bold, she is vibrant, she is approachable and friendly, but she's classy, and she is using Cherry Spark for her brand. So we're going to look at the Cherry Spark Brand Swatch Graphics Kit. Now, the cool thing about the Brand Swatch Graphics Kit is that they include everything you need to create your brand on your website, your funnels, and all the major touch points for your business online, including your social media graphics, your lead magnets, your ebooks, and all those things. So inside every single brand swatch graphics kit, you have your color palette, your backgrounds, your icons, your training materials, everything that you need to create the brand even before you build your website. So let's take a look. So over here is the brand swatch graphics kit for Cherry Spark. So we could take a look at the video, and you'll see that you are going to, when you make your purchase, you are going to get a downloadable document that is going to include a bunch of assets that you're going to save to apply to your brand. So let's go through the video now. And I'm going to put this away real quick. So you'll see that it has like the welcome page, and you're going to get your actual Cherry Spark or whatever when you choose the brand graphics kit. Now, this is very important. You're also going to get website inspiration, so that if you want to take this brand kit, you can literally go to any platform and kind of follow along the inspiration, and you can go and start, building it if you want to. You're also going to get a bunch of Canva bonus resources. So I want to give you everything you need to get your amazing business out there. I don't want these things to hold you back. And instead of scouring the internet, trying to find a mock-up here and an ebook cover there and a color palette there, I've created everything that you need to get off the ground and running, and so that you can stay focused on what you do best, which is going out and building your business. So you're going to get 100 Instagram mockups, 70 digital product mockups, 30 book magazine mockups. You're also going to get an ebook lead magnet mockup, so you can create your lead magnet with this ebook template that's ready to export as a PDF. And you're also going to get e-course and webinar slides so that you can look like a pro on your next webinar or e-course with this ready to customize Canva slide deck. So they're all live Canva links. Each and every one will open up in Canva, and then all you have to do is apply your brand kit to these assets. So let's continue. Okay, so you're also going to get all the icons and the elements and the logo for your brand, for Cherry Spark or whichever brand kit you choose. It's all going to be included. You're going to get, and what I mean by the logo, you're going to get an editable file so you can go in there and you don't have to think about it too much. You just have to change out the Cherry Spark logo, for example, and put your name, Jane Jones. And boom, you're done. And then you've got yourself a nice presentable logo so that you don't have to think about it too hard. And you know that at the end of the day, you have your brand kit that's going to make sure that everything is cohesive, that all the colors go together, that all the icons go with the graphics, and you're going to look put together as if you hired a pro. Okay, and you're going to get all the backgrounds. I'm going to show you that in a second. And then, of course, you have your hex codes at a glance so that you can create your brand kit and have all that already done in Canva, so that as you start to build your brand and you want to post things on social media, or you want to create a thumbnail for your YouTube video, your brand kit already has all your colors and all your graphics and everything in there. And hold on for just a minute, because I'm going to show you exactly where you're going to find the training that's going to teach you how to do all of it. Okay, so then here are this is the first graphics. You're going to get all the icons that you can use for your website. So right over here is what I'm talking about. You have the Cherry Spark logo over here. So you can just go in there. These are actual Canva links that have actual Canva files. And you can just change this to Jane Jones. Boom. With a cute little starburst, you're done. You're good to go. You save that, put it on your website, put it on your social media images, and you are good to go. Okay, so these are all the little icons that can go on your website, social media images, your ebook, etc. And then I included a couple of pictures. They're going to vary depending on the brand Swatch kit. I don't want to overwhelm, because you want to stay focused, and it's like, you know, less is more. You just want to make sure that you look put together. Now, these images are for inspiration. This is our amazing relationship coach. This is to give you the idea of what you could wear for your photography. So if you're not sure, okay, well, I got Cherry Spark, I love it, but what should I wear so that I can put it into my hero image? What kind of pictures should I take so that my website images still match everything that I've got going on? So she is what I call your photography muse. And in the meantime, she's acting as a placeholder on the website and all the promotional images. But the idea is for you to take inspiration and maybe use the same colors that she's wearing to pick your outfit for your hero image. If you end up doing your website or a funnel or what have you, you have everything you need to make this brand come to life. So you can use those placeholders just to give you an idea of what it would look like once you put your placeholders in, but they're also acting as inspiration so that you know what to wear. Okay, the next thing is the backgrounds. And these backgrounds are gorgeous. They're so versatile. You can use them on Instagram's images. You can use them in a Facebook header. You can use them on a YouTube banner, in a thumbnail, to create an ebook, all the things, on your website, obviously. And so I've included all the different backgrounds that go together with Cherry Spark. the next thing is you're going to get access to the Brand Swatch Graphics Studio Training Center, where you're going to get access to training videos that are going to show you how to use your brand kit. So you're getting all of this for one low one-off price, and you're going to be able to develop your brand for all the major touch points. How cool is that? Okay. So again, you're going to get all the Canva bonus resources, including 100 Instagram mockups, 30 book magazine mockups, e-course and webinar slides, ebook lead magnet mockups, and 70 digital product mockups as well. And all the resources are editable in Canva. And you're going to get access to the training videos that are going to show you how to use your brand kit. Now I'm going to refresh the page because if you notice, a little window popped up over here and it says, if you don't see a website for your favorite brand swatch, you can request one. Now we happen to have a website already built for Cherry Spark. And as of the date of this video, it happens to be our limited edition one-time buyout, which I am going to be making a video to explain to you how that works as well. But if you scroll a little further down, you can click over here and it says search for a matching website. So this brand swatch graphics kit, you don't need to build a website or funnel now if you don't want to at this point. Right now, if you're like, okay, I just want my Facebook to look together. I want my Instagram to look really nice and curated and look like organized and like everything goes. I want to feel put together. And so the brand swatch kit will get you off the ground for that part of your brand. It's foundational. So whether you build the website yet or not, the value in the brand swatch graphics kit is that you're already going to start looking put together. It's going to help you feel way more confident when you put yourself out there because you know that everything is cohesive. And when your brand is consistent and cohesive, that starts to build trust. People start to see you more seriously, right? All right. So if we can't find the website, the first thing we want to do is we want to search to see if there is a matching website. If there is a matching website, it will be listed. If there isn't, we're going to click on this button. So let's do that now because I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you how to search for that. So let's just say you picked something and the website isn't available yet, or the template for it isn't available yet. Then you can go and request a website design. That'll take you to our contact page. So you're going to enter your first name, your last name, your phone number is optional, and email, and then select the reason for your message. So you could message us here for customer support, request a custom site, brand swatch website template request, because maybe the template isn't there just yet, but it's coming. But you're like, I definitely want, Sage Serenity, or I want the website for artistic vibes. When are you guys going to make it? When is it going to be available? You can message us, and that way we know what to make priority, okay? Because we're going to have hundreds of swatches in time, and not every single one is going to have a website unless we get your feedback, your vote on it, and we hear from you, and you're like, I have to have the template for this. I have to have the custom website for this. So this is where you would message us, okay? All right, so let's go back, and now let's go to search for matching websites. So over here, obviously, we have a matching website for Cherry Spark, and we also have the high-level website, black and white, paint by numbers template, which we will be talking about that in another video, okay? So we already have the Cherry Spark website here, but that will be another video where we will be discussing that. So that is what is included inside of your brand swatch kit. Remember, all you have to do is browse by category, see what brand swatch kits are available, and then choose the one that represents your brand the most. Okay? So if you have any questions, let us know, send us a message, and I'm so excited to see what you create. So in the next video, we're going to see the Cherry Spark website. So I'm going to show you how all of that works. So I'll see you on the next video. If you're watching this on YouTube, there's a whole entire playlist that explains how everything works. So make sure to check it out. And also make sure, if you're not watching this on our website, to go to brandswatchstudio.com.